5 adults rise, their rest shattered by the cry of their kin. She drags the cub as if it weighs nothing. 8 strong when the day began, but now 3 are missing. An opponent. She is a boundary. They descend upon her, a blur. A lioness is not circling a mountain of muscle. The lioness does not drop the cub. She wants them to see it. She wants them to understand the cost of approaching. To lose a cub is to lose the very future of the lineage. A gap, a blindside, a careless second. They cannot stop her with force, so they try to make the ground smaller around her. A mother does not measure danger the same way. The life she came to protect is above her. The death she risks becoming is below it. A single second is enough to delay. They are not close enough to fight, not far enough to surrender, as if she knows they will not dare. The circle changes. Grief becomes rage, fear becomes permission, and the cheetahs may finally forget what she is. They cannot allow distance to become defeat. One moves ahead of her, trying to slow the path. Another drifts behind, searching for the place her eyes cannot reach. Each movement asks her eyes to divide. The cheetahs give her too many beginnings. A face to confront, a shadow to track. The lioness swings toward one body, while another tests the blind side. They make every step feel unsafe, to make every side feel open. For a moment, she is no longer simply carrying the cub. She is thinking, turning, checking, and spending attention. She knows the cheetahs cannot attack freely, not while what they want is between her teeth. So she keeps it there, like a shield. Two generations caught in the same body of power. Mother and cub are separated by inches. For one breath, the mother is released, but mercy does not live here, as if escape itself must be punished. She drops the cub, out of irritation, out of the need to answer insult with dominance. There is nothing left to save, only something to take away. The same mouth that once carried life now carries loss. They wanted her moving. A lioness is most certain when she stands her ground. So the cheetahs make her run, not to escape her, to pull her out of certainty. The missing members of the family reappear, but something is wrong. No calm in the air. Far in the distance there is movement, too sudden, too violent. They understand before they know. They see her differently now, still dangerous, still dominant, but no longer untouchable. Now, the whole family is here, all 8 of them, and in a world where none can match the lioness alone. Their only strength is number. The danger comes from everywhere. They are not trying to overpower her, they are trying to overload her, to make every turn cost something. Exhaustion begins to expose the lioness's weakness, and for the cheetahs, this is the moment they have been waiting for. With their claws, they rake through her skin again and again. They do not need one fatal blow, only this relentless carving. Every time she stands, it is slower. Every time she swings a paw, it carries more frustration than control. Too many bodies, too little time. The cheetahs have learned her rhythm. They know the pauses now, know when the body settles, know when fatigue opens the smallest door, and they keep coming. This is how the strong are overwhelmed, not by one decisive force, but by constant demand. Even power has a limit. They do not meet her face. They do not challenge her power where it is strongest. They go to the back, always the back. She is wounded, breathing hard, yet still refusing to yield the center. With too many small invasions for one tired body to answer. Pain has entered her body, humiliation has entered her mind, and she can endure injury more easily than insult. Another shape appears. He sees her at once, not as a hunter sees a fight, as a companion sees collapse. The balance breaks. What they could dare against one weary lioness, they cannot dare against him. She no longer has to stand alone. And sometimes, in a world ruled by violence, that is the nearest thing to mercy.